everyone, I am coming to you from the Dream 36 development in Montego Bay, and I just wanted to give you a progress update on how everything has been going. As you know, we're in the middle of a pandemic, but this particular development has been going strong throughout, and it's privately financed, so for all the investors out there, this is definitely something that will allay your concerns. So the progress has been swift, and we are definitely expecting good things from this development. I'm going to take you inside in a short while so that you can have a look at the interior of one of the units. And just so you know, there are a mixture of units here, from 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 1 bedroom condos. The amenities include a wonderful rooftop pool overlooking the sea and the mountains. You also have premium finishes throughout, which include porcelain tiles, floor to ceiling glass windows. You have walk-in closets, laundry facilities, garbage chutes. You also have a children's playground, you have a gym, and you have a conference room, movie theater. There's so many, I'm sure I'm forgetting some of them, but I know that you're going to like this one, and I'm looking forward to showing you more progress updates as we go along. So take care, and I'll see you inside. As you can see, there are lovely views of the mountains and the sea throughout, lots of floor to ceiling windows. You'll also be having tray ceilings and recessed lighting in these apartments. On the floor, you can look forward to seeing porcelain tiles throughout, and you'll also have your own laundry area. Here we are heading out to what will be your balcony, and the balcony will be framed with glass and aluminum. Don't mind the background noise. As I mentioned before, there's still a lot of construction going on, and these gentlemen have been working day and night to get the development finished. Going back inside, looking up at the mountains. Straight ahead, we're looking at what will be your kitchen, which will have an island, and the open concept will lead into your dining room and living area. And then straight out to the balcony. From here, we are going to head into one of the bedrooms, so that you can have a look. The ceiling heights here are 9 foot 10 inches. We're heading into one of the bedrooms. This is a ground floor bedroom, right? And it's quite spacious. You can comfortably put a king size bed in here, and those are the lovely views that you'll be having from your bedroom. And I'm gonna see, this would be where you comfortably position your bed, so you'll be looking right out at that lovely view. And you can also access your balcony from here as well. There's a closet for this bedroom as well along the left, and then heading into the bathroom space. They're still in the process of putting up the drywall, and then of course all the finishes will go in. So here we have your bathroom with the drywall in place. And what's nice about this bathroom is that you also have an access from the main living area, which means your guests don't have to walk through the bedroom for them to use the bathroom. And as I mentioned before, there are 2 other bedrooms, so it's a 3 bedroom. However, I will not be able to take you up to the 2 bedrooms yet because the stairway isn't in yet, and I am not going to be climbing that ladder. So that's the update for today where the 3 bedroom penthouse is concerned.